Hello, my name is Dr. Christopher Flanagan and I'm one of the creators of the Phototherapy Calculator for the iPhone. In this video I'm going to provide you with a demonstration of our application. So I'm just going to open up the application on the iPhone. So this is the home screen, and by filling in the boxes here the calculator will provide you with a clear yes or no answer as to whether phototherapy is required, and this is based on the American Academy of Pediatrics guidelines. So the first thing you need to do is fill in the baby's age and hours at the time the blood sample was taken. If you know this, go ahead and enter it in the box. If not, the calculator can work this out for you. So you just need to click the calculate button and enter the baby's date and time of birth. And enter the date and time of the blood test. The next thing you need to do is enter the bilirubin result. If you use milligrams per deciliter, go ahead and enter it in the box. If your lab uses micromoles per litre, you need to change the bilirubin units in the settings menu. The calculator remembers your choice, so you don't need to change this each time. But for the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to use milligrams per deciliter. And we're going to enter 22. Okay, so the next thing to do is to enter the gestational age of the baby and whether or not any risk factors for jaundice are present. If you can't remember the risk factors for jaundice, just click on the I button to display them. So you can see that the calculator has worked out the baby's risk for jaundice is low, and despite this the baby will require phototherapy. Probably what's more useful is to actually view the plotted bilirubin on the American Academy of Pediatrics nomogram, and this calculator will do this for you by clicking the View Graph button. So here you can see the calculator has clearly marked the low risk line on the graph, and that as the plotted bilirubin is above this line, the baby will require phototherapy. If you need further instructions on how to use the calculator, they can be found by clicking on the Info button. So as well as the instructions, we also have the references and the web links to the American Academy of Pediatrics guideline. So we'll just open up the guidelines. So one of the nice things about all ITDCS apps is that the web links open within the application, so you don't need to go outside the application to use Safari. And when you're finished looking at the web link, just click cancel and you're right back in the application where you left off. Okay, so thanks for looking at this demonstration. If you would like to download the Phototherapy Calculator, just go to iTunes and type Phototherapy into the search bar. To view all of our apps, just type ITDCS into the search bar. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or queries, our contact details can be found at our webpage. It's www.itdcs.co.uk. You can now follow ITDCS on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. This gives you the opportunity to be the first to find out about new and upcoming app promotions, be automatically entered into free prize draws, and watch video trailers of our applications.